Hi guys, so I hope you're able to watch the Local King review I did earlier today for some of the new slimline cards. But in the meantime, I didn't get to do much else today, but I do want to let you guys know that Tonic is having their mystery bags back. I am going to pick one up right now as I'm editing this video. So if I have any links in the description box, those are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase any items through those links. I just want to show you they already released the Wednes-Die deals, but they always have other sales. So like I said, if we're going to pay shipping, I always like to maximize like what I'm going to order. And I did want to try out their alcohol markers. So I'll probably pick up, because they come in shades of 3 or sets of 3 of those certain colors. So I'll probably pick up a pink set, a green set, because like flowers, probably purple, and maybe yellow. I missed out on the bundle they did when they came out with their new stamping kit, which I was really wanting to get, and I totally forgot. So I'm going to grab those. So I just want to show you those are on sale too right here. Just because I want to try them out. I don't have any of them, and I'm always up to trying things out. So, mid-week die deals, and if I click shop now, you can also drop it down from the very top where it says sale. Also under sale is like warehouse sale, all kinds of other things. But I just want to let you guys know that the mystery bags are back right here. And when this comes up, I want to show you, I also want to get this layering basics bundle because I don't have any of their layering dies and I'm doing more and more with them. So I want to pick up some other items that I can help with that. And if you guys are looking at the deluxe adhesive, which is one of my favorite new glues, it's right here, bundle sale again. So last week I also missed out on these, so I'm going to pick them up this time. They had a different set of nesting dies. And I like the shapes. So I think that's all, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you are all doing well, and I just really appreciate you guys' support. You guys are the best, and I always feel bad when I don't have more than one video on a certain day, but today was busy, and I think tomorrow will be better. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm going to have to take down that first video, and I just edited this to the end of the video I'd put up. If you click on near Tonic Craft Kit, there's this Jungle Box bonus kit, and I hadn't seen that before, so I clicked on it, and I bought it because it is adorable. Apparently, they put it out in April just as a bonus kit, and so there are reviews already for it and things like that, but I went ahead and picked this up because this is super cute. Again, it's a one-off purchase. You can just add it with the same order that, you know, I got the mystery bag, I got the nesting dies, I got this cute kit right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. And it makes this cute little box or gift box. Oh. So I just had to show you guys that because I'm sure they don't have it all the time and it just came back in stock. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Again, links in the description box, and truly appreciate you all. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.